Okay, so if you're a freelancer or an agency, chances are you're already managing multiple client sites. And maybe you've even thought about offering WordPress care plans. But here's the big question. How do you package your services in a way that clients are not only willing to pay premium rates like $500 a month, but also clearly see the value behind it? Well, that's exactly what we are breaking down today. In this video, I'm showing you how WP Remote helps you deliver and confidently justify a $500 care plan step by step. So without any further ado, let's dive in and explore how you can make it work for yourself. Alright, let's be real for a second. When a client is trusting you with $500 for their website's care, what they're really paying for is peace of mind. They don't want to worry about backups, hackers, downtime, or whether their site is up to date. They just want to know it's safe, fast, and always running smooth. So, what does that peace of mind actually include? Well, it starts with daily backups and safe staging, so nothing breaks when updates are rolling out. Then comes strong security and malware protection, because no one wants their site to be vulnerable, right? And of course, you also need uptime and performance monitoring, making sure the site is always available and loading fast. Adding to that, automated updates for WordPress and plugins, so everything is running on the latest version without you spending hours. And finally, this is the key, that is clear client reports, so your clients see proof of the work happening behind the scenes. Saying that, these were the 5 things which are the pillars of a premium care plan. And the good news is, WP Remote covers all of them in one single and simple platform. Now, let's actually jump into WP Remote and see how it delivers each of these in action. Now, as you can see, once we log in, this is the WP Remote dashboard. From here, adding a website is quick and simple. But let me highlight one of the most powerful features right away. That is backups and staging. And honestly, this is something every single website needs, because we all know that even a small plugin update can sometimes break an entire site. But with WP Remote, you can schedule daily automated backups with one single click. And if something does go wrong, you can restore the site instantly without panicking. You can also create staging sites. This means you can test updates safely in a duplicate environment before pushing them live. It's like having a safety net for your client's site, and that's exactly what makes your $500 care plan feel worth it. Alright, moving ahead, backups are something which keep you safe from the update issues. But what about hackers or hidden malware? Well, that's where security steps in. Yes, with it, WP Remote continuously scans for malware, alerts you the moment something suspicious pops up, and even gives you one-click malware removal feature. And here's the pro tip. Always keep the security toggle switched on here, so your firewall and scans are running quietly in the background 24/7. That way, your client site isn't just monitored, it's actively protected. Now that we've secured the site, the next big concern is reliability, because your clients expect that their website to stay online and fast all the time. And that's why monitoring is such a big deal. With WP Remote, you get real-time uptime monitoring system and a performance checklist. So if a site ever goes offline or starts slowing down, you'll know immediately, often before your client even notices. And it doesn't stop there, my friend. With just a single click, you can also see SSL certificate status, domain expiry dates, and even visual page changes. Think of it like having a full watchover for every site you manage, keeping things running smoothly around the clock. Next up, let's talk about updates. And you know how time consuming this can be? Updating plugins, themes, and WordPress, let me tell you, across multiple sites can really eat up hours every week. But WP Remote makes this simple. From here, you can update everything in bulk or even schedule updates automatically with safe testing. Here's how it works. Click on the schedule, give it a name so you remember, choose when it should run, daily, weekly, or monthly, then decide exactly what to update. Plugins, themes, or the WordPress core. Now, here comes the smart part. Take the option to take a backup before updates, so you always have a restore point ready. Now, this way, not only you save time, you are also making sure your client sites stay updated, safe, and consistent without lifting a finger every single day. Finally, let's now come to the part that really shows your value. That is reporting. Think about it. You could do all the backups, updates and security checks in the world, but if your client doesn't see it, they won't fully realize the value of your work. That's why reports matter. With WP Remote, you can generate white label client reports in just a few clicks. Simply click on New Report, fill in the details and hit Create Report. With this, within seconds, you will have a professional branded report ready to download or send directly to your client. The beauty here is simple. Your clients don't just hear that you are keeping their site safe, but they actually see it. Every backup, every update, every scan is clearly laid out just like that. And this is what builds trust and makes a $500 care plan really justified. So that was WP Remote in action for you. Now, let's take a step back and look at what we have covered so far. As mentioned in the beginning, if you want to sell premium WordPress care plans, you need to deliver real peace of mind. And with WP Remote, you've got everything in one single place, that are backups, security, monitoring, updates, and reporting. Well, that's exactly how you confidently justify a $500 care plan. You're not just maintaining a site, you're protecting it, keeping it fast, and proving the work with clear reports your clients can actually see. So go ahead, link is in the description to try out WP Remote today. Start building care plans that your clients truly value and start charging what your work is really worth. Saying that, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep learning.